Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Surah Taghabun. In the name of Allah, the most compassionate, the ever merciful. Yusabbihu glorifies Lillahi for Allah, ma whatever, fi in samawat heaven, wama and whatever, fi in earth. Glorifies Lillah, glorifies to Allah everything which is in the heavens and which is in the earth. Lahul mulku, for him is the kingdom. Walahul hamd, and for him is the praise, all praise. Wahuwa, and he is Allah above kulli, every shan thing, Qadir, powerful, and he is powerful over everything. Huwallazi, and he is who, Allazi, who, Khalaqakum, created you, Faminkum, then amongst you, Faminkum, Kafirun, someone is disbeliever, Faminkum, and amongst you, Mu'minun, someone is a believer. Wallahu, and Allah is bima, whatever, ta'malu, you do, basir, seeing, and Allah is seeing everything which you are doing. Khalaqa samawati wal ard bil haqqi, and he created, Khalaqa created a samawat, heavens and skies, wal arda, and earth, bil haqqi, with rationale and purpose. Wasabbarakum, and gave you a shape, fa'asana sabarakum, and then made up your shape, and then decorated your shape. Wa ilayhi al-masir, and towards him, al-masir, you have to return. Wa ilayhi al-masir, and towards him we have to return. Ya'lamu, he knows, ma, which, fi, in samawat, heavens, wal ard, and earth. He knows everything which is in heavens and which is in earth. Wa ya'lamu, and he knows, ma tusirruna, which you conceal, wa ma tu'linuna, and which you disclose. And he knows, wa ya'lamu ma tusirruna, which you hide, wa ma tu'linuna, and which you disclose. Wa ma tu'linuna. Wallahu, and Allah, alimun, he knows, bizat sudur, the thing, as-sudur, the talk of the thing, bizat sudur, the hidden thing which is in the breast or in the heart. And he knows everything, or every talk or every statement, everything which is hidden in the breast or the heart. And he is he is knowing everything which is hidden in the hearts. Alam yatikum, alam yatikum, is yatikum, came to you, did not come to you. Alam yatikum, did not come to you. Naba'ul lazina, alam yatikum, do you know? Yatikum ai Naba'ul lazina, the news of Al-lazina, un logo, Naba'ul lazina, news of those kafaru who became disbelievers, min qabl, पहले से या तुमसे पहले, फजाकू, पस they tasted, wabala, punishment, amrihim, for their deeds, they tasted the punishment of their deeds, walahum azabun alim, and for whom is the azabun alim, punishment, alim, the pain giver, and there is a severe punishment for them. Zalika, this is Biannahu, this is ye Biannahu इसलिए है, it is Zalika, this is Biannahu कानत थे तातिहम आते आए रसूलहम prophets to them bil bayyinati, with the bright evidences. Fakalu, first they said, Abasharu yahdunana, the human beings will give us the direction. Fakafaru, first they did not believe, they became the disbelievers. Matawallaw, and they returned their faces from them. Wastaghfirullah, and Allah, and disregarded Allah, and Allah Ta'ala ne also disregarded them. And Allah Ta'ala also disregarded him. Wallahu Ghaniyun Hamid, and Allah Ta'ala is Ghaniyun Hamid, is